What's up guys, this is Shan Haider, and in this video we are going to have a quick unboxing of ZTE Axon 40 Ultra smartphone. So we will have a look on the device inside, all of the content we got inside this retail box, its design, features, hardware specs, and all of the usual unboxing stuff. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So first of all, let's have a look on the retail box. Here we got a huge 40 series branding, name of the device, and that is designed by ZTE Corporation, ZTE branding. The ZTE Axon 40 Ultra is a 5G capable device. The device we got inside comes in black color and it got 8GB RAM and 128GB storage. There is another variant with 12GB RAM and 256GB storage as well. ZTE Axon 40 Ultra comes with Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 platform with Snapdragon sound, Wi-Fi 6 and Dolby DTX Ultra. So here is our ZTE Axon 40 Ultra in black color, a SIM card tray ejector pin, a warranty card and a silicon TPU case for the back panel. Here we got the USB Type-C cable, a 65-watt charger, we got a 3.5mm earphone and a USB Type-C to 3.5mm adapter as well. So this is really nice that ZTE is providing the whole accessory setup with the Axon 40 Ultra, unlike many other smartphone brands who are just removing the accessories from the retail box, giving some various lame excuses. So inside the retail box of ZTE Axon 40 Ultra, you will find the smartphone, the back panel case, warranty card, 65-watt charger, a 3.5mm earphone, USB Type-C to 3.5mm adapter, and a USB Type-C cable. So here is our ZTE Axon 40 Ultra in black color. So right now I'm going to go through the setup, and after that we will have a detailed look on the device. And here we go. So the setup is done and now we are good to go with our ZTE Axon 40 Ultra. So first of all, let's talk about the design and build quality. And the very first thing that you will notice on ZTE Axon 40 Ultra is that there is no front-facing camera notch. There is no notch or punch hole on the display because ZTE Axon 40 Ultra comes with third generation under-display front-facing camera. ZTE is using a dedicated under-display camera pro chip on ZTE Axon 40 Ultra that provides the exact same PPI like the rest of the display, and because of that it is just impossible to find where exactly is the front-facing camera on ZTE Axon 40 Ultra. So it provides a seamless viewing experience, a very premium look to the device, and it looks beautiful. We will see how good the third generation under-display camera performance is going to be very soon, but in terms of appearance, it is a winner at the first glance. We got a huge display with massive screen-to-body ratio and 70-degree curved display on the edges that once again provides a seamless viewing experience, giving very premium vibe to the device, and it looks beautiful and gorgeous for sure, as literally there are no bezels on the sides and the top and bottom bezels are also negligible. The device weighs 204 grams, but because of the huge screen to body ratio, the device weighs 804 grams and it comes with a huge screen. But because of the massive screen to body ratio, it still fits perfectly in hand, providing a nice grip and easy enough to use and handle in our daily life. The screen is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus. Just like the display, the back panel is also curved and meets with this very thin metal frame in the middle that is just 1.8mm in thickness. At the top we got the speaker grill, IR blaster, antenna lines. At the bottom we got another speaker grill. So ZTE Axon 40 Ultra comes with a stereo speaker setup. We got USB Type-C port, primary microphone and the SIM card tray slot. On the right side we got the volume rockers, the power key, and on the left side we just got some antenna lines. So in terms of design and build quality, ZTE Axon 40 Ultra is a very solid and premium device in every aspect. On the back side, we got this huge camera module that comes with 3 huge lenses, this triple 64MP camera branding and the Neo Vision photography branding. Considering the empty space on the camera module, we can assume that there was a possibility to reduce the camera module size, and it would be really nice for sure. We got a bit of camera module bump, but if you put the provided back panel case, then this camera module bump will be hidden and you won't feel any wobbling while putting the device on a flat surface. The back panel of ZTE Axon 40 Ultra comes with this shiny ZTE branding and the matte finish back panel that looks very beautiful and very premium from every angle. It also feels so good while touching and moving the finger on the back panel of ZTE Axon 40 Ultra because of the matte finish paint job we got on the back panel of the device. So overall, in terms of design and build quality, ZTE Axon 40 Ultra is a very beautiful, gorgeous, premium smartphone in every aspect, whether the impossible to locate third generation under display camera or the waterfall display with huge screen to body ratio, the super thin metal frame or the gorgeous matte finished back panel. The only thing I'm missing here is a proper waterproofing on ZTE Axon 40 Ultra, considering that it is a flagship smartphone, and a proper waterproofing on the device would be just great. Now talking about the display, we got a 6.8-inch AMOLED display with full HD plus resolution providing 400 ppi, 120Hz refresh rate, 100% coverage of the DCI-P3 color gamut, 10-bit color reproduction that supports up to 10.7 billion colors. It also comes with 1440Hz high frequency pulse width modulation dimming and TUV Rhineline low blue light certification. So the display of ZTE Axon 40 Ultra is going to be easy on your eyes. The screen to body ratio is huge, and with 400 ppi you will get very sharp visuals, bright colors on the display of ZTE Axon 40 Ultra. The maximum peak brightness is 1500 nits, and you can easily get the idea that how bright it is, and you won't feel any issue while using the device in bright sunny outdoors. The viewing angles are great, and because of the waterfall curved edges and the under display camera, the display of ZTE Axon 40 Ultra provides a seamless viewing experience. At 120Hz, the display of ZTE Axon 40 Ultra is very smooth, as you can get the idea here. Talking about the under display camera, ZTE is using the dedicated under display camera Pro chip. Because of that, the PPI of the surface area above the under display camera and the rest of the screen are exactly same, so it is impossible to find where exactly is the under display camera on ZTE Axon 40 Ultra. And once again, it provides a very nice viewing experience without any distraction on this device. Now talking about the software side, ZTE Axon 40 Ultra comes with Android 12 along with ZTE's MyOS 12. Talking about the storage, out of 128GB you will get 112GB storage available right after using the device for the very first time. And in terms of software based feature, ZTE is providing various options and settings that you can use to improve your productivity on ZTE Axon 40 Ultra and have a nice user experience. So we will have a look on all of these software based features in our detailed review of ZTE Axon 40 Ultra, but right now you can see that the UI is very smooth and we got some nice and interesting features here as well on our ZTE Axon 40 Ultra. Now talking about the camera, we got a 16 megapixel front facing under display camera that is just invisible to our eyes. On the back side we got triple 64 megapixel camera setup where we got a 64 megapixel primary lens, 64 megapixel telephoto lens and 64 megapixel ultra wide angle lens. The 64 megapixel periscope lens provides up to 5.7x optical zoom. ZTE is using the Sony's IMX787 customized sensor for ZTE Axon 40 Ultra, and the wide angle lens can also be used as autofocus macro lens for macro imaging. The customized Sony IMX787 on the primary camera comes with 35mm focal length, one of the most popular one for portrait images and street photography. It also comes with full pixel omnidirectional focus and laser autofocus with optical image stabilization. One of the most highlighted point is that all of these 3 cameras on ZTE Axon 40 Ultra can record 8K resolution videos that you will rarely find on any other smartphone. If you launch the camera application, this is the user interface you will find. So you can see that we got the AI mode, some filters, we got photo mode, video mode, night mode, pro mode, street photography mode. As I just mentioned that the 35mm focal length on the primary camera is the most popular focal length for street photography. We also got lots of interesting camera modes under the camera family, and then we got the night mode and the portrait mode as well. If you go to the video mode, here you can see that in the settings you get the option to record 8K resolution videos, and this is available for all 3 cameras we got on the rear. So in terms of camera features, ZTE Axon 40 Ultra is looking a very solid smartphone in every aspect, and we will see that how good it's going to be in our detailed camera review of ZTE Axon 40 Ultra as well as in our in-depth review of the device. But right now it's looking pretty solid on paper and also in appearance for sure here. So overall, ZTE Axon 40 Ultra is a true flagship smartphone in every aspect, whether we are talking about the design, build quality, amazing under-display camera technology, huge screen to body ratio, gorgeous waterfall display, or the premium ceramic looking matte finished back panel. But this is just a first impression video. Many more videos of ZTE Axon 40 Ultra like the gaming review, benchmarking test, comparison with other smartphones, detailed camera review, etc. will be uploaded very soon on this channel, so do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification when those videos are live. And if you enjoyed watching this one, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.